Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to get a refund from Nike in 2025. Whether you ordered online or both from a Nike stores, this guide will cover everything you need to know to get your money back smoothly. Let's get started. First, let's quick go over Nike's refund policy in most cases. You have 30 days from the delivery date to return items for a full fund refund. Even if you have worn them, an item must be in good conditions, and some products like customized gear may not be refundable. If you miss the 30-day window, you can still return items, but you will usually get a gift card or store credit instead of cashback. If you bought something from Nike.com or the Nike apps, sign into your account and go to orders, select the item you want to return, then click start return, and Nike will give you a prepaid return label to print, attach it to your package, drop it off at the carrier mentioned, and wait for Nike to process the return. If you bought directly from a Nike retail store, take the item and your receipt back to the same store. Ask for a refund at the counter. Refunds are usually processed back to your original payment method, debit card, credit card, or mobile payment. If you don't have a recipient, they may give you store credit. Once Nike receive your item, then return item, it usually takes 3 to 7 business days for the refund to appear in your accounts. If you used debit or credit card, the timing depends on your bank. For PayPal or Apple Pay, it may be faster. A few quick tips: always keep your return receipt or tracking number until the refund shows up. If you don't see the money after 10 days, contact Nike customer service with your order number. Check if your return item qualifiers, and customized item and final sale products usually can't be refunded. And that's it. That's how you get a refund from Nike in 2025. Just follow the steps for online or in-store purchase. Keep track of your return, and your refund should come through smoothly. And if this guide helpful you, and don't forget to subscribe the channels. Thanks for watching.